Your first week has exactly one job. Ship one small thing, not a startup, not your dream app. One useful, finished thing you can point at. That's what turns "I'm learning AI coding" into "I build with AI coding." Here's the secret. Momentum beats ambition. People who try to build something huge in week 1 stall out. People who ship something tiny come back. So we aim small on purpose. Start by picking something tiny today. A little script that automates a chore, a tool that renames or sorts some files. If it feels too big, cut it in half, then cut it again. Too small is the right size for ship number 1. Then set up safely. A sandbox folder. No real secrets. Know your stop button. This is the part beginners skip and regret. So don't skip it. Next, plan it in 5 minutes. 1 sentence for the outcome. Small steps. A way to check each one. 5 minutes now saves you an hour of the agent wandering later. Then run the loop. Hand the agent 1 step at a time. Test it. Verify it. Ship the slice. When you're stuck, shrink the step. Now the important part. Shipping. Shipped means it runs and does the thing for you, even if it's ugly. Then write down what you built and where it broke. That record is your first ship. You might get stuck. That's normal. Reread the exact error. Shrink the step. Write down what you tried and what you saw, then ask for help. Getting unstuck fast is a skill you're here to build. So this week, aim small. Ship 1 finished thing. Write it up. Ugly but working counts. That's your first real ship.